In this video you will learn how to read a GATT TRQ schedule using the UK's proposed schedule as an example. When looking up a product's bound tariff in a GATT goods schedule, you will be able to see if it is eligible for a TRQ by looking at the Other Terms and Conditions column. Here we can see that carcasses and half carcasses of bovine animals 02011000 are subject to a tariff quota. To find out the terms of this TRQ, we should now look at Part 1, Section 1b of the UK's GATT goods schedule. The UK schedule contains 92 separate TRQs covering a range of products, and some products qualify for more than one TRQ. Here we are looking at TRQ sequence number 001. The second column contains a description of the products covered, and the third, the tariff item numbers, which include carcasses and half carcasses of bovine animals 02011000. However, you can see that this is qualified with the letters EX. X means that not all products covered by tariff number 02011000 qualify for the TRQ, so the product code needs to take into account the description. In this case, the UK only offers the TRQ for high-quality beef and veal, which has the 10-digit tariff number 0201100021. The fourth column lists both the total annual quantity covered by TRQ 001, inclusive of all the different cuts of meat, and the in-quota tariff rate. This TRQ is for a total of 5,319 tonnes of meat of bovine animals, with an in-quota tariff of 20%. The out-of-quota tariff rate for tariff number 02011000 is a much higher 12.8% plus €176.8 per 100 kilograms of the net weight. The final column lists the other terms and conditions applying to the TRQ. Here we can see that this specific TRQ only applies to high-quality meat and is specific to certain countries. Argentina has been allocated 64 tonnes, Australia 4,669 tonnes, Uruguay 278 tonnes, the US and Canada 19 tonnes, and Paraguay 289 tonnes. Qualification is also subject to conditions laid down by relevant UK legislation. For example, if we want to find out the maximum tariff the UK can levy on imports of boneless domestic swine 02031955, we can see that the rate is €86.9 per 100 kilograms of the net weight. However, the Other Terms and Conditions column informs us that a TRQ is potentially available. We should now look at the UK's TRQ schedules. As you will see, picking the correct TRQ can be quite tricky, with some products being covered by more than one. We can see that tariff number 02031955 is covered, in part, by four TRQs 009, 010, 011 and 012. TRQ number 009 is for 3 tonnes and applies specifically to cuts of domestic swine, fresh, chilled or frozen, with or without bone, but excludes tenderloin. Additionally, 1 tonne of TRQ 009 is allocated to Canada, and 2 tonnes to everyone else, erga omnes. If the import of 02031955 qualifies for TRQ 009, it faces a maximum tariff of €434 per 1,000 kilograms of the net weight. TRQ 010 is for 25,585 tonnes of boneless loins and hams of domestic swine, fresh, chilled or frozen. The in-quota tariff for qualifying products classified under product code 02031955 is €250 per 1,000 kilograms of the net weight. TRQ 011 has all of the same criteria as TRQ 010, except it allocates 3,152 tonnes of quota solely to products imported from the USA. TRQ 012 applies to 1,220 tonnes of tenderloins of domestic swine, fresh, chilled or frozen, with an in-tariff rate of €300 per 1,000 kilograms of the net weight. If eligible, importing swine of product code 02031955 under any of these TRQs would see it subject to a tariff lower than the outer quota rate of €86.9 per 100 kilograms of the net weight.